Oh, I'm gonna sneeze.
You hurting, Rosie? I'm glad I didn't do it.
I keep sneezing.
I know it's not funny, but it's funny.
Oh, right under the eyes hurts so bad.
I keep sneezing.
Save your skin. Look at it and see what it pulled out.
Mama, you're gonna make my phone fall.
You have to do it, Mother.
Gosh, I can't pull it out over here.
Just 1, 2, 3, pull.
Gosh. Why are y'all doing so quiet?
I can't get. I'm having issues with mine. Mine's. But my forehead is.
You don't get peeing where you wrote.
Just wait till.
I'm getting dizzy. I might pass